Hello and welcome everyone to a new video. In today's video I will show you how to enable AR walking directions on Google Maps. So to do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to Google Maps, open it, and after that go and choose your destination. For example, I will choose a restaurant next to me. For example, I will choose this restaurant. And as you can see here, when I choose walking, not driving or motorcycle or any other solution, there is a new option that will appear called live view, and this live view is working only if your destination is near to you, not so far from you. For example, not 100 kilometers or even 50 kilometers from you, in that you can go to it walking. And when you click on that live view option, it will open your camera and ask you to point your camera at buildings, stores, and signs like next to you. And Google Maps will guide you to your destination based on what you are scanning with your camera. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next video.